You asked, how to divide 6,561 by 3 using the long division method. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Bring down 1, making 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 minus 21 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2,187.